Common English errors and grammar mistakes, brought to you by Idioms Online. In this video, I'll go over a common mistake made by English learners and native speakers alike having to do with the English expression, be able to. I was able to get my errands done today. My errands were able to be done today. Which of these sentences is correct? Well, to be able to do something means to have the necessary physical strength, mental power, skill, time, money, or opportunity to do something. In the first sentence, I was implying that I had the necessary time to do my errands. I was able to do them. But the second sentence is an incorrect use of be able to. My errands were able to be done. Why is this wrong? Well, let's look at the meaning again. To be able to do something means to have the necessary resources, freedom, strength, skills, money, time, etc. to do it. Errands cannot have any of these things, right? An errand can't be able to do something. Only people like you and me can be able to do something. Things are not able to be done. People are able to do them. This is a common grammar mistake in English that you now know how to avoid. Let's look at some other examples to correct. We would not say the car was able to be repaired by us. No passive voice. Instead say, we were able to repair the car. And never say, the car was able to be washed today. Instead say, I was able to wash the car today.